Good evening, viewers of the Family Press. Greetings from Bali City, Eastern Uganda. Today we are in our brooder, and our local chicks are 2 weeks old. We have just vaccinated the Gomboro one, and what is amazing, by God's grace, is that at 2 weeks we have had 0 deaths, and our birds are healthy. As you can see, they are busy enjoying, they are busy eating, playing, because their environment is clean, the environment is warm. They have their feeds there, they have their water, clean water there, and the light is sufficient. This batch is there are 52 chicks, and we are brooding for our customer who wants 50. So by God's grace, we are praying that by the time we make 4 weeks, if we still have our 52, the 2 will be an addition. Thank you for watching, and please kindly follow for more videos. The next one, we shall be talking about the secrets of coming out of the brooder after 4 weeks with 0 deaths, because we have successfully had that for several batches with 0 deaths, and I would like to share with you those secrets in our next video. Thank you. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that whenever we post our videos, you can always be the first to know. Thank you. God bless you.